Hey guys, so welcome to another lesson by Passion for Learning. Today we will be focusing on natural selection. Now I know that there is another video for this. It is longer because it goes into more depth. So this is kind of just like a summary kind of video, if you need some quick learning. So let's get started. So natural selection, what is it? Well, it is a process in which the organisms in a population, and by the way, a population consists of the same types of animals that live in the same area. So it is a process in which the organisms in a population with the better traits suited for the environment are naturally selected, meaning that they will live longer and have more babies. And so the main point is that the organisms that have the better traits to live in an environment will just survive longer than the other organisms in that population. In a sense, they'll win. It's survival of the fittest. So let us look at our example. You cannot see the picture, which sucks, but it is a picture of the three Kanto starter Pokemon, Squirtle, Bulbasaur, and Charmander. So let's use Pokemon as an example and look at their different types. You have the three starter types, water, grass, and fire. Now obviously, water beats fire beats grass, and grass beats water. Makes sense, right? So let's look at this. If you were to put a grass type and a fire type Pokemon together and have them battle against each other, who would be naturally selected? Or in other words, who would win? The answer? Fire. They are fierce. But that is because they're naturally selected against grass types. Thus, they will win. Okay, so, new situation. Now you guys answer. So what if the grass type and fire type Pokemon are now just placed in an environment with lots of rain? Because of this rain, they're unable to battle, so all they can do is really hang around like trees that drip down rainwater. Who would survive longer in this super wet habitat? Who would be naturally selected? The grass type or the fire type? Give you guys a couple seconds. Okay, I can't be bothered to sing the whole thing. I feel like you guys have come to a decision. If you said the grass type, then you are correct. They are naturally selected because, obviously water beats fire and weakens them. And so the grass type, they used water to get stronger. So they are naturally selected to live longer in a wet environment. Sorry, fire types. Yeah, obviously, they would all be dead. It's a sad face. And so what? What's the purpose of this? Why should you learn about natural selection? Well, if you were to be an environmental scientist, imagine this. What if you're trying to find a way to keep some kind of extinct animal alive? Well, if you know about their traits, then maybe you could find an environment that they would be naturally selected for so that they could live longer and produce adorable babies. Or maybe you're a historian or scientist looking back at animals in the past. You could look and learn from what, just what helped them live, what helped them die. And you could apply that to now. You could change the world and help us humans or even other animals live longer. You would be helping out so many people. And so, the conclusion. Remember, if an organism is naturally selected, then that means it has traits that will better suit it to the environment it lives in. Then, that organism will survive longer, yes, and make more babies, yes. It is simply survival of the fittest. Thank you guys. This was Passion for Learning. Follow, subscribe. I will post more videos soon about, more topics. Check out the website.